Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mustang. Tuning back in. We got that beautiful LED emblem right there with two options. You could light it up with red, or you could light it up with the red H emblem, and around it would be white. So it's perfect on a white accord or a red accord if you want to do a theme of white and red, or just completely red on a red accord. But yeah, all you gotta do is remove the other one. We're using a plastic pry tool, made a hole there for the wires to go behind it, and all you gotta do is remove these push tabs right here. And if you pry this outwards a little bit, all you gotta do is take one side out, and you have plenty of side. That side you don't have to take it out, but just make sure it's loose. And here you have plenty of space to kind of grab in there and grab this wire that you're gonna fish through this top hole right there. And we're gonna connect it to the fuse here because we want it on with the while the car is on. But if you want to do it with the headlights on at nighttime, then you would tap into one of these wires. I'll put the description in the video, and I also have a video already doing to the harness. So I'll put the link there as well. So we'll do this one on the fuse. All right, so this is the fuse I usually use. If you want to go using a tap-in fuse, which is more better down the road, if you're going to put more stuff to it, just use a tap-in fuse. So you have two 20 amps basically fuses. Yeah, this is another ground. If you guys thought that the battery is the only ground, no, it's not true. You have ground right here as well, and this is basically the positive. So we connected the blue one instead of the red one because the red one gives it a whole red effect, and the blue wire gives it. So we didn't connect the red one, we connected the blue wire because that will give it a white glow around it and a red H. So let's check it out real quick. All right, just turn on the accessories. It's on?
Yes, sir, it is.
Nice. There you go. And y'all know where to find that, right? You guys convinced me to make it for y'all, so there you have it. Plenty of options. Look at that. And that's another way of powering something on. But other than that, should be good to go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do so. Appreciate that. It's free. And peace out till next time.